Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Water damage in your home can be a nightmare, and it happens all too often. There are something like 14,000 water damage insurance claims filed per day. A high-tech, easy-install device called Guardian by Elexa, Elexa, can automatically shut off the water supply when a leak is detected and can really be a lifesaver. Director of Sales Jon Storino says it attaches to a typical quarter-turn ball valve.
And it sits on top of that, and then with our leak detectors that communicate directly back to the Guardian, when a leak is detected, it will automatically shut the water off to the home, preventing further water flow and damage in the house.
Pricing starts at about $200. Find more at elexausa.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.